Welcome to another video on my driving robot Discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and programmed in Python with two touch sensors and an active sonar on front, an LED to signal upcoming changes, and a propeller to signal that the algorithm is running. The controller is active. No objects right now. The distance between here and here is about 50 to 55 centimeters, which is the maximum distance according to the algorithm. What I still have to do is log in. So using the SSH terminal I am going to do exactly that. And without any problem I can log in, so that is a very good one. Then for safety I open the source code. At least that's the intention. I'm in. Alright, so now is the objective to find out if the random course instead of a straight line is still active. What I also have to do is checking if ROBOPro is making contact, which it does not. Okay. The correct interface is being selected, but ROBOPro says no way. That is too bad. Anyway, first things first, running, and mind the interface, user interface, is now at the community interface, not the standard interface. So I'm quite curious what will happen now. I give enter. Connected. Oh, that's yeah, right. So that works. At least something. So let's put it back here. What is the distance this time? .30 something, which is kind of correct. So let's see again. Alright, now which is a correct response? So that works, but why the trajectory is still messing up, I have no clue, so let's try to find out. Taking that short test, reveals something that well, within the condition contact, both contact 0, it doesn't take much to see that you can't rely on the battery. With 9 volts, 8 volt, 8 volts, and here 8.6, 8.2 and 8.7. But counters are also very strange. This should count, this counts up and this counts down. Well, should be. but it doesn't. And this gives nothing. So I have added in the part of the algorithm that precedes the first contact condition, that I here read in a new state, in a new variable, two new variables, current distance, after I have set it here, and I write it to file. Question is, will it work? Well, I don't know. All I can do is test. So yeah, and I found of course that I still have to set the date, so I did that. And let's go now. Whatever will happen. Not that. Why is this happening? Why is this happening? This has the latest date. It should not happen in this one. Oh wait. Wait. Yeah, it's something very different. I've made a mistake here. That's the point. Now it will work. Another event of Python going into error. You won't know there's an error until you run it, and until you run into it. This is line 123. Which is where? Right here. What's wrong with it? It's not verified. How come it's not verified? It means that distance length is verified. Oh, yeah, right. I notice. One underscore too many. Details. There we go. Go left, go right. Oops, that wasn't very good, but let's put it here. And let's see the data. 0 and 0. Oh, really? If I set the distance, so then what happens? This is very strange. Distance is 4. Counter is 3. 4, 3, 2, 3. This absolutely does not make any sense at all. Okay, let's go to the end. Distance is 8. So it counts up, but why does it say 8 here and 3 here and 4 here? I mean, if you write a distance is only counting up, not counting down, no matter how you go. Maybe unless you drive backwards, but that's not applicable here. Okay, let's go to the end. Battery voltage, that is there. Let's just put the whole distance thing here as well, just to see how things are developing. So I have this line, and I will put it, where will I put it? Right here. Seems like a good idea. Right after it stops for the final time. And then these 3 lines, yeah. No, actually I should take both of them. But it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. And let's keep it to this. And then make this rechts end. Yeah. Alright. Now I'm very curious what it will be in the end. So it's standing there. What's the distance again? Between 40 and 50. Okay, let's increase it. Yeah, between 55 and 60. I'm fine. It's okay with me. Runtime. And there it makes a sharp turn, and it collides with the computer case. End of story. So before I'm going to collect it, no, let me just collect it right now. Alright. What's the data? Yeah, I know it's 0, while it should not be 0. end. You're joking. Yeah, well, on the other hand, this, strangely enough, this is correct, because it should count down to 0. But all the rest actually no good. So here I have commented out a lot, and here it is the end. But it has covered the distance already here. And here I am counting 1400 minus the counter setting. Actually, I should write that into the file. The only problem, of course, is am I ever going to reach it with these trajectories going crazy? Yeah, that's a good one. And I actually only need one, so let me go to the end, going here, copy 4, and then doing what? Not here, because this is absolutely in the end. Here it makes more sense. So, copy, paste, I mean, and then, no, let me do it this way. So, this also puts the distance into the data file, except for one thing. This is between 4 and 6. So I am changing this in this one. This way I do know if this distance has been covered. What distance has been covered? So I'm copying 4 lines and go to the next one, which would be then this one. No, here. And this is condition 6 to 10. Six to 10. Next one will be condition 10 to 12, which is not. Oh, and thinking of this, it only covers 11 and 12. Not much. And this covers 13, 14 and 15, also not much. but 4 to 6 is alright. So far. Yeah, and this one has been covered as well now, so let's do something with this and see if things are more or less getting nice. No picture being taken. Let's just start from this position. See whatever happens. Go. The very strange thing is, by the way, that it should only make such a turn after contact 1 is made, or contact 2. And what is this doing? Absolutely nothing. Okay. Those hind wheels are not operating correctly. Okay, quit. First thing to notice as well, like I said, this is not operating correctly, because mainly this is not functioning like it should. It is not being corrected nicely. It is being dragged like this. It's not good. Anyway, let's examine the data. And let's find 6. No, not there. 4 to 6. Also not there. Not that I'm surprised, but you never know. All very much the same. Distances that are not going up. Well, here it's 5, then 2 again. That's the same problem. Unless, of course, my algorithm is faulty, which may just be. But even then, very strange. Okay, this one is happening much more, so I should add these lines also at this one. Right, so let's run with this adaptation. Oh right, I should check on distance on contacts. Let me do just that. But a contact is not being set, because if a contact would have been set, then there would at least be something in it. Let me check for that one, because these are the sonar things. But also when I touch the contact, and then I really mean this one or that one, then it does stop. So when does it turn? Not found. Wait. If contact 1 is 1. Yeah. Okay, draaien. I was looking for the English word, but I need this one. And that is with this. With a lamp going on. So, and it also says contact 2. Alright. Now, contact has not happened. However, if I look here, the only thing I see is contact being 0. And it goes to the right. Oh, here. This is 3. So let me find for contact 2 is 1. Nothing. So whatever causes the constant turning right, I'm not getting it yet. And that's the end for this episode. Let's check for one more time. This one? No. This is good. This is bad. So be it for now. And that's it for now. Some additional checks in the log file, revealing nothing yet, and some very strange behaviors. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up to this video. Leave a comment or suggestion, much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your appreciation and support by donating a bit of money via PayPal or Twitter. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. All information, including my social media names and my website, under this video. For now, thanks for watching. To be continued. Bye bye.